Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Are you enjoying online classes? Open page number 42. 15 June 2020, Monday. Subtraction, converting. Look at this sum. First, I will describe subtraction. Subtraction is the process of taking amount away from another. It is also used to find difference between two numbers. This is a sign of subtraction called minus. In minus, we cut the lines. There are 52 balloons at a party. 27 burst. How many balloons are left? First step, underline the digits. 52. This is the group of tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are ones. 1, 2. 52. Total number 52. And we will minus 27 from 52. How can we take away 7 ones from 2 ones? Is it possible to do? No. We need more ones. Take 1 10 from the tens column and change it into 10 ones. Here, take 1 tens from the tens column. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 tens are left here. We can have 10 plus 2 is equal to 12 ones. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 ones. Now we can complete the sum. We followed the same step we did before. Start from the right side. This is a sign of subtraction called minus. In minus, we will cut the lines. Ones, tens, start from one side, start from right side. We can't take away 7 from ones. We can't take away 7 from 2. So, we are taking borrow 12. 12 minus 7. Make 12 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Subtract 7 from 12. Count 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut 7 lines. How many lines are left? Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. Now, 4 tens are left here. For this purpose, we must know the back counting. Please repeat after me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Again, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The back number of 5 is 4. Now, subtract 2 from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 4 lines. The next number is 2. 1, 2. Cut 2 lines. How many lines are left? 1, 2. Write here 2. The answer is 25. 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 25. Page number 43. 15 June, Monday. ones, tens, the sign of subtraction minus. In minus, cut the lines. 43 minus 26. 3 is the smaller number. How can we take away 3 ones from 6 ones? We need more ones here. Take 1 10 from the tens column and change it into tens ones. Now we can have 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 minus 6. We are taking tens here. We will write the back number of 4. We will write here 3. 3 minus 2. Now we can subtract 13 minus 6. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is the next number? 6. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut these lines. How many lines are left? Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. Now we will subtract 2 from number 3. 3 lines here. 1, 2, 3. Next number is 2. 1, 2. Cut 2 lines. 1 line is left here. So answer is 1. 17. This is a sign of subtraction called minus. In minus we cut the lines. Start from one side. Ones, tens. 5. Take the borrow from 6. We are taking 1 tens. So 15. Make 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The next number is 7. Count 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. We took 1 tens here. So write the back number of 6. 5 tens. Make 5 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next number is 4. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut 4 lines. 1 line is left here. The answer is 18. We subtract 47 from 65. Ones, tens, 2. We cannot take away 2 ones from 5 ones. We need more ones. Take 1 tens from the tens column and change it into 10 ones. So 10 plus 2, 12. Write the back number of 7, 6. Make 12 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The next number is 5. Count 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut these 5 lines. How many lines are left? Try to do by yourself. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines are left. Here is 6. 6 number is written here. So how many lines we will make here? 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next number is 2. 1, 2. Cut 2 lines. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are left. The answer is 47. We are repeating again for practice. First see the sign. This is a sign of subtraction called minus. Cut the lines. Start from right side. Start from ones. We can't take away 8 from 1. So borrow from 5. Write the back number of 5. 4. 4 is written here. It is done for you. Take 1 tens. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 8. 11th line. Cut 8 lines. 3 lines are left. 1, 2, 3. Write here 3 under ones. Number 4 is written here. Draw 4 lines. The next number is 2. Subtract 2 from 4. Cut 2 lines. 2 lines are left. Write down. This is the answer. The answer is 23. Page number 44. 15 June, Monday, subtraction. Complete these sums converting where necessary. Ones, tens, 8. 8 is the smaller number, 9 is the bigger number. So take borrow from 4. Write the back number of 4, 3. Take 1 tens. Make 18. Draw 18 lines. The next number is 9. Count these lines and cut the 9 lines. 9 lines are left. So write 9 here. The next number is 3. Draw 3 lines. Cut 1 line. 2 lines are left. The answer is 29. 6 sums are done for you. Try to do these 2 sums by yourself. Number 5. Use subtraction to answer these. Option A. Gibran had 32 toys. He gave away 17 to an orphanage. How many are left? First, underline the digits. Write here ones, tens. Gave away means minus. First digit is 32. 32. The second digit is 17. 2 is the smaller number. 7 is the bigger. So take tens, borrow. Make it 12. Tens plus 2, 12. Draw here 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The next number is 7. Count 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. We took borrow from here. So write the back number of 3. The back number of 3 is 2. Draw 2 lines here. Cut 1 line. 1 line is left. Write 1 under the tens. So answer is 15. 15 toys are left. B. There are 64 cans of cola. The children drink 48 cans. How many are left? Underline the digits. 64, 48. Now we will subtract 48 from 64. 4 is a smaller number. 8 is a bigger number. Not possible to subtract 8 from 4. Take one borrow from 6. Make it 14. Write the back number of 6. Write here 5. 14 minus 8. Draw 14 line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next number is 8. Count 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut all these 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines are left. Right here 6. Now subtract 4 from 5. How many lines we will make here? 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut all these lines. 1 line is left. So write here 1. The answer is 16. 16 cans of cola are left. Solve these sums C and D by yourself. Thank you.